Hey guys, welcome back to the Techy. Today we'll be showing you 3 ways to edit your Instagram pics on PicsArt. The first is a simple background change. First, select an image of your preference. Now go to Cutout and select the portrait cutout. Click Done. Next, go back to the homepage of PicsArt and select a previously downloaded image for the background. Go to Effects and under Blur, choose Focal Zoom. Then go to Sticker and under Cutouts, in My Sticker, you will find the cutout that you just created. Select it and adjust it to the background image. Click Done. Now add in some effects and you're done. Moving on to the next edit, Motion Blur. Select the image you prefer. Go to Cutout and with the portrait cutout, extract the foreground image. Similar to the first edit, go to the home page and select a previously downloaded image for the background. This time select Motion Blur from the Effects section under Blur. Adjust the distance, angle and fade and click Done. So go to Stickers and select the cutout you created. Adjust it to the background image. Again, add in the motion blur effect to the image and adjust the distance, angle and fade. Next, go to Stickers again and add in the same cutout. Place this accordingly to add a sense of motion to the image. Go to Effects and select Dodger under Effects. Fade it slightly and click Done. Now moving on to the final edit. Select your image and go to Effects. Choose the Badlands effect under Magic and slightly fade it out. Next, cut out the image using the portrait cutout. Click Done. Go to Draw. From the Layers section, choose the color pink or whichever you prefer for the background. Go to Shape Mask. Here, choose the one shown and increase its opacity. With BG color, select Picker and a suitable color for your image. Move around the mask to find the perfect placement and click Done. Your images are now Insta ready. So that's it for the tutorial. Thank you for stopping by at the Techy. Do subscribe and like the video and speak your mind in the comment section below on what you want to see next. Thank you for watching. See you all next time.